Hi everyone! If you're new here, my name is Jamie and I post videos every Sunday. So today I am doing a cleaning video, and I don't think I've done a proper cleaning one on my channel before, but I personally find them to be super satisfying, and I know that when I feel lazy, I just chuck one of those videos on and I feel super motivated to clean and organize myself. Our friends are actually coming over and it's such a good reason to give our apartment the clean it needs. So I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe find it motivating. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell button so you get notified every time I upload. And let us get on with the satisfying cleaning content.
I left my phone at my brother's place. It's not my fault, don't walk away, 'cause I don't quite know what you're running from. 'Cause all my friends, they think I'm fun. You take yourself too seriously. I don't wanna hear you say we waste our time. Going home to be all alone, watching cooking shows. You take yourself too seriously. I'm fine. I left my keys at my cousin's house. He says I need to leave you 'cause you're bringing me down, and you're all worked up 'cause I got home late. You'll hold this night against me till 3008. You take yourself too seriously. I don't wanna hear you say we waste our time. 'Cause you're the one who's going home to be all alone, watching cooking shows. You take yourself too seriously. I'm fine. You kill me when I'm wrong and you kill me when I'm right, but you know it wouldn't kill you if you tried to be nice. Stop making me choose between you and Fortnite. Now I'm telling you, you take yourself too seriously. I don't wanna hear you say we waste our time. 'Cause you're the one who's going home to be all alone, watching cooking shows. You take yourself too seriously. I'm fine.
I'm not where I'm supposed to be, and I say that shit openly. I feel it, it's strange. I traveled down the coast for free. I'm going back there hopefully, where it's warmer. Yeah, it's warmer.
Check the front, I see a checker flag. Too busy checking back, I always see a checkered past. And every check I spend is one that's meant to last. It's funny how you own the car but rent the gas. It's sunny days ahead, yeah, I was meant for that. I got both feet in the door and I ain't stepping back. I already wiped my shoes up on the welcome mat. Yeah, the vans, they spend the cash but they like welcome back. Yeah, welcome back.
And I don't
it's okay.
Pain in the days like sun and rain. The more we change, the more things stay the same.
Think I'm finally on my way, yeah. Think I'm finally on my way, yeah.
So this is subject to change, but I'm really happy with how it looks right now. On the left hand side, I just got a toilet paper roll, and we have my favorite sienna nail polishes, which I love, and I think they look so good. On the right hand side, we have a few face towels, face washers, and we've got this little Aesop body cleanser, and I just have a little travel size perfume. So that is a wrap on the cleaning. I feel so good. I feel so satisfied with how everything turned out. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye!